Hey there, it's Obokmansi Dental Clinic. If you've got temporomandibular joint pain, you know what I'm talking about, right? For temporomandibular joint issues, it's all about Obokmansi Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.
Today, we're going to look at a success story of a patient with scoliosis who had jaw pain and clicking sounds when opening their mouth. It hurts and makes a sound when I open my mouth. My mouth doesn't open well. The right TMJ feels uncomfortable. It hurts when I chew something hard. When I open my mouth to a certain extent, it feels stuck and makes a clicking sound. I've always had some jaw pain, but it got worse about a month ago. A month ago, I was only prescribed medication. I've had clicking sounds from my jaw for a while, but this is the first time I've had TMJ pain. The left side doesn't hurt at all.
For most patients with temporomandibular joint issues, proper muscle relaxation and jaw correction can lead to a speedy recovery.
I've noticed that when you have scoliosis, your TMJ often gets worse too. At Obokmansi Dental Clinic, we performed a total of 3 TMJ treatment sessions. Afterward, the TMJ pain was almost gone, and the clicking sound only occurred when trying to open the mouth very wide. With the reduction in TMJ pain, we concluded the treatment.
You know about temporomandibular joint pain, right? Temporomandibular joint treatment is right here at Obokmansi Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.